once you've got all the dirt trapped into this dry yellow floor pad, and just look how thick it is, we have to actually get rid of it. And I don't like to wash it every day and every time I use it like I do all the other floor pads and cloths. So what we do, we bash it against the wall and all the dirt drops out. Or you could vacuum it off. If you're up in a high-rise building, then of course you'd vacuum it off because you wouldn't have the access to get outside. And you'll see you've picked up quite a lot of hair. So we recommend this dog's brush to actually take the rest of the hair off, and then it's ready to use again. So you do actually have to do a bit of maintenance, because if you leave it dirty, it will still just won't work anymore. And if you wash it regularly, it would all mat together. So if you do wash it because it's filthy dirty, you should have one of these dog's brushes to see the bristles and really brush the tips up to bring them back to life again.